Namaste children, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see from NCERT class 4 the third chapter from Ramjam book Kirmich Ki Gend. Kirmich Ki Gend, which means a crimson ball. Let's go into the video.
गर्मी की छुट्टियां थी. इट वाज समर हॉलिडे. दोपहर के समय दिनेश घर में बैठा कोई कहानी पढ़ रहा था. So Dinesh was sitting at his home and he was reading some story. तभी पेड़ के पत्तों को हिलाती हुई कोई वस्तु धम से घर के पीछे वाले बगीचे में गिरी.
At that time, shaking the tree's leaves, some heavy thing fell into his garden, the backyard of the garden.
दिनेश आवाज से पहचान गया कि वह वस्तु क्या हो सकती है. Dinesh identified from that sound itself that what that thing could be. वह एकदम से उठाकर बारामती की चिक सरकाकर बगीचे के ओर भागा. So what he did? So immediately एकदम से उठकर means immediately he stood up and बारामती की चिक, which means keeping the screen aside, moving the screen aside, he went towards the garden, बगीचे. अरे अरे बेटा कहाँ जा रहा है? So Dinesh mom asked, where are you going, my son? बाहर लू चल रही है. So outside there was a hot wind blowing. दिनेश की माँ मशीन चलाते चलाते एकदम जोर से बोली. So Dinesh mom was running some machine, might be a sewing machine. So she was running that machine and by running the machine itself she asked him. परंतु दिनेश रुका नहीं. Whereas Dinesh didn't stop. उसने पैरों में चप्पल भी नहीं पहनी. So he didn't even wear a चप्पल. जून का महीना था. So it was the month of June. धरती तवे की तरफ तप रही थी. So this land was heating like a hot तवा. पर दिनेश को पैरों के जलने की भी चिंता नहीं थी. Whereas Dinesh didn't even care about the feet burning. वह जहाँ से आवाज आई थी उसी ओर भाग चला. So what he did? So he went towards the place from where the sound came. सामने की क्यारी में भिंडियाँ के ऊंचे ऊंचे पौधे थे. So opposite to that, kyari means it's a flower pot. So there was tall पौधे means plants. एक और सीताफल की घनी बेल फैली हुई थी. And on the other side there was a climber. This was सीताफल fruit climber, which was means spread over densely. घनी means dense. क्यारियों के चारों ओर हरे हरे केले के वृक्ष लहरा रहे थे. So on all the four directions of the flower pots, the banana leaf plants were waving. दिनेश ने जल्दी जल्दी भिंडियों के पौधों को उलटना पलटना आरंभ किया. So उलटना पलटना means toppling, putting upside down. So Dinesh, what happened? He in a hurry he was toppling this भिंडियों के पौधे, this lady's finger plant. जब वहाँ कुछ नहीं मिला तो उसने सारी सीताफल की बेल छान मारी. छान मारी means investigating. So when he couldn't find anything under the lady's finger plant, he started investigating the सीताफल plant, whether he could get that thing from there. बराबर में ही गूंज ने गड्ढे बना रखे थे. So on a plain land there was a pit. ढूंढते ढूंढते जब उसकी निगाह उधर गई तो उसने देखा कि गड्ढे के ऊपर ही एक बिल्कुल नई चमचमाती किरमिच की गेंद पड़ी थी. So when he was while searching, ढूंढते means while searching, निगाह means his eyes. So his eyes suddenly went towards the pit and he could find the thing above the pit. He could find a new, बिल्कुल नई means completely new, चमचमाती means shining. So he could see a shining crimson ball over the pit. दिनेश ने हाथ बढ़ाकर गेंद उठा ली. So Dinesh extended his hands and he took out the ball. लगता था जैसे किसी ने उसे आज ही बाजार से खरीदा है. So it seemed like only today someone has purchased this ball from the market. उसने उसे उलट पलट कर देखा, परंतु कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया. So Dinesh, what he did, he just toppled the ball upside and downside, but he couldn't get any idea. नजर उठाकर उसने पास की तिमिंजली इमारत की ओर देखा कि हो सकता है किसी बच्चे ने इसे ऊपर से फेंका हो, परंतु उस इमारत के इस और खुलने वाले सभी दरवाजे और खिड़कियां बंद थे. So what happened? So he wanted to find out who could have thrown it down. So immediately he nazar utakar, which means he was looking upwards as towards his house. That there was some timanjali. Timanjali means a 3-storied building. It's like an apartment. So there was an apartment near to his house, and he was seeing that whether any doors or windows are open in that apartment or building, so that any kid would have thrown it from their house. Whereas उस इमारत से इस और खुलने वाले सभी दरवाजे खिड़कियां बंद थे. Whereas the doors and the windows facing his house direction were completely closed. छत की मुंडेर से लेकर नीचे तक तेज धूप चिलचिला रही थी. So छत की मुंडेर, which means terrace, from the terrace till down there was a hot wind. It was wavy. फिर कौन खरीद सकता है इस नई गेंद? So he was thinking, so in this hot wind, who would have purchased this new ball? दिनेश ने सुधीर, अनिल, अरविंद, आनंद, दीपक सभी के नाम मन में दोहराया. दोहराया means he was recollecting. So he was recollecting those names. So all these names are his friends' names. Sudhir, Anil, Arvind. So all these names are Dinesh friends' name. यदि गेंद खरीदी भी है तो इस दोपहरी में इसे नीचे कौन फेंकेगा? So if at all anyone would have purchased this ball, who would have thrown this ball in this at this time? हो ना हो, यह गेंद बाहर से ही आया है. Anyways, this ball has come from outside. उसने सड़क पर बने गोल चक्कर के बगीचे की ओर देखा, परंतु वहां पर केवल 2-4 गायें ही दिखाई पड़ी जो पेड़ों के नीचे सुस्ता रही थी. सुस्ता means inactive, taking rest. So what Dinesh did, he was looking towards the road and from his garden, and what happened, he could see only, parantu means but he could see only 2 to 4 cows that were resting under the tree in this midday. उसे ध्यान आया कि जाने कितने बार अपने मोहल्ले के बच्चे की गेंद क्रिकेट खेलते हुए दूर चली गई और फिर कभी नहीं मिली. He regained something into his mind that how many times the kids in the neighborhoods, they would have played the cricket, and while playing the cricket sometimes the ball would have gone somewhere, but they wouldn't have retrieved the ball thereafter. एक बार तो एक गेंद एक चलते हुए ट्रक में भी जा पड़ी थी. So one time the ball, while they were playing the ball, it went and fell onto the truck, and they couldn't retrieve that ball back. तभी भीतर से माँ की आवाज आई. So भीतर means inside. So at the time he was thinking, so he heard his mom calling him. अरे दिनेश, तू सुनेगा नहीं? So oh Dinesh, will you listen to me or not? सब अपने अपने घर में सो रहे हैं और तू धूप में घूम रहा है. So she is telling everyone at their home, they were resting at their home, and you are roaming in this hot sun. दिनेश गेंद को हाथ में लिए गए भीतर आ गया. So Dinesh, he took the ball in his hand and he came inside. ठंडे फर्श पर बिछी चटाई पर वह लेट गया. So what happened? He switched on the fan and he lay down. Lay gaya means lying down. So he lay down on the bed and he started thinking. सोचने लगा. He started to think. भले ही यह गेंद मोहल्ले में से किसी की ना हो. So could be this ball never belongs to anyone in the neighborhood. परंतु whereas ईमानदारी इसमें है. The honesty lies in this thing कि एक बार सबसे पूछ लिया जाए. Let me inquire with everyone whether anyone has lost this ball. So there only lies my honesty. So that is what this Ganesh was thinking. गर्मी की छुट्टियां थी. So it was a summer holiday. बच्चों ने खेलने की सुविधा को ध्यान में रखते हुए एक क्लब बनाया हुआ था. So what the kids did? So suvidha means facility. So it was a holiday time. So they want to spend this holidays by playing. So taking this thing into mind, they formed a club. उस क्लब में सभी बच्चों के लिए बल्ले थे. So in that club, all the kids were having a bat. और गेंद खरीदने के लिए वे आपस में क्लब का चंदा देकर पैसा इकट्ठे कर लेते थे. So इकट्ठा means to collect. So what happened? They had a bat, whereas to purchase a ball, so they mutually formed a club and they chanda means something. It's like a participation of donation. So they used to collect and they used to purchase a ball by with everyone's contribution. शाम को सारे बच्चे इकट्ठा हुए. So evening time everyone gathered. दिनेश ने सभी से पूछा. So Dinesh asked everyone. मुझे एक गेंद मिली है. So I got a ball. अगर तुम में से किसी को गेंद खो गई हो तो वह गेंद की पहचान बताकर गेंद मुझसे ले सकता है. So I got a ball. So if at all anyone lost their ball, then you can tell me the identification mark of this ball and you can get that from me. Anil बोला. So Anil said, गेंद तो मेरी खो गई है. Yes, I lost my ball. कब खोई थी तेरी गेंद? Dinesh asked, so when did you lost your ball? यही कोई 4 महीने पहले. So approximately it would have been some 4 months back I lost my ball. तो वह गेंद तेरी नहीं है, दिनेश ने कहा. So Dinesh said, then this could not be your ball. फिर वह मेरी होगी. सुधीर ने तुरंत उस पर अपना अधिकार जताते हुए कहा. So what happened? Sudhir immediately said, so then that could be my ball. Immediately he said. So he was foisting his rights on that ball. कैसे? दिनेश ने पूछा. So Dinesh asked, how is it? तू मुझे गेंद दिखा दे, मैं अपनी निशानी बता दूंगा. So you first show me the ball, then I will tell you the निशान. निशानी means the identification mark. यह कैसे हो सकता है? अरे वाह. So how could this happen? दिनेश बोला. दिनेश said, गेंद देखकर निशानी बताना कौन सा कठिन है? So by looking at the ball, if you tell me the identification, then what is the big deal in it? बिना देखे बता, जब जानो तब जानो. So you have to tell me without looking at the ball. Only then I'll give you.
तभी ऊपर से दीपक उतर आया. So at that time दीपक came down. दीपक अपना मतलब सिद्ध करने तथा अवसर पड़ने पर सभी को मित्र बना लेने में चतुर था. So this Deepak is a kind of a boy who wants to, if he wants to attain something, Siddhi means to attain, and Avsar means when need arise. So he is a kind of a boy, so who would attain something. If you want to attain something or if need arises, he will make friend of everyone. And in this, he is very clever. Chatur means clever. गेंद की बात सुनकर दीपक बोला. So hearing to this word about the ball, Deepak said, गेंद मेरी है. So the ball is mine. कैसे तेरी है? So how this ball is yours? सभी ने एक साथ पूछा. Everyone asked at a time.
कल ही तो कल ही तो तू कह रहा था कि इस बार तेरे पापा तुझे गेंद लाने के लिए पैसा नहीं दे रहे हैं. So only yesterday you were telling that your father won't be giving any money to you to purchase a ball. And now you're coming and telling that this is your ball. मेरी गेंद तो 5 महीने पहले खोई थी. So this Deepak is trying to say something so that he wants to grab that ball, and he's telling मेरी गेंद तो 5 महीने पहले खोई थी. So which means I lost my ball 5 months before. दीपक ने कहा, दीपक से जब बड़े भैया की शादी हुई थी ना, तभी सुनील ने मेरी गेंद छत पर से नीचे फेंक दी थी. So when my elder brother was getting married, so at that time Sunil throwed my ball from the terrace. दिनेश अच्छी तरह जानता था कि यह गेंद दीपक की नहीं है. So Dinesh knows very well that this ball cannot belongs to Deepak. दीपक की गेंद 5 महीने पहले खोई थी. So Deepak lost his ball 5 months before. और यह कभी हो ही नहीं सकता कि गेंद 5 महीने पड़ी रहे और उस पर मिट्टी का एक भी दाग ना लगे. So this couldn't be his ball because he lost his ball 5 to 6 months before, and there is no identification of the sand or something mark in this ball. It's a pretty new ball. So he was saying this couldn't be the ball. This ball couldn't belongs to Deepak. दीपक ने कहा. So Deepak replied, मैं कुछ नहीं जानता. I don't know anything. गेंद मेरी है. This is my ball. वह मेरी है और सिर्फ मेरी है. So this ball is mine and only it will remain mine. अरे जाजा, बड़ा आया गेंद वाला. क्या सबूत है कि यही गेंद नीचे फेंकी थी? अनिल ने पूछा. So Anil interfered and he said, "Arey go. This ball cannot be yours because what is the proof you have that this ball belongs to you? Since you throwed it down, this ball cannot belongs to you." दीपक ने कहा. So Deepak replied, हाँ सबूत है. Yes, I have proof. मुझे गेंद दिखा दो, मैं फौरन बता दूंगा. So you show me the ball and immediately I will tell you the identification mark. दिनेश ने देखा कि झगड़ा बढ़ रहा है. So Dinesh saw that this quarrelsome is getting bigger. गेंद हथियाने के लिए दीपक सुधीर और सुनील का सहारा ले रहा था. So हथियाने means to grab. So to grab this ball, Deepak was getting the help of Sunil and Sudhir. वह जानता था कि यदि गेंद दीपक के पास चली गई तो ये तीनों मिलकर खेलेंगे. So Dinesh knows very well. So if Deepak takes the ball with him, then these three boys will together they will play. अच्छा, मैं गेंद ला रहा हूँ. So Dinesh too cut the speech off. He said, "I will bring the ball. परंतु जब तक पक्का सबूत नहीं मिलेगा, मैं किसी को दूंगा नहीं." दिनेश ने कहा. And Dinesh also firmly said that he will bring the ball to play, but until I get the proper proof that this ball belongs to someone else, by giving the proper proof only I can hand over the ball to the concerned person. गेंद आ गई. So the ball has come. दीपक उसे देखते ही बोला. So by looking at the ball itself, Deepak said, "यह मेरी है." So यही है मेरी गेंद. So this is my ball. This is my ball only. यह लाल रंग का निशान मेरी ही गेंद पर था. So this red identification mark will only be on my ball. वाह, सभी गेंदों पर ऐसे ही निशान होते हैं. अनिल ने दिनेश का साथ देते हुए कहा. So Anil together with Dinesh, he said, so in all the balls the identification mark will be same. दीपक ने फिर जोर लगाया. So Deepak again stressed out. मैं अपने पापा से कहलवा सकता हूँ कि गेंद मेरी है. So he was stressing out that I can even tell my father that this ball belongs to me. अरे जा, ऐसे तो मैं अपनी बड़ी भाई से कहलवा सकता हूँ कि गेंद दिनेश की है, अनिल ने कहा। एंड अनिल in turn he replied that even I can tell my big brother that this ball belongs to Dinesh. कुछ भी हो, गेंद मेरी है। So anyways, this ball belongs to me. दीपक ने उसे धरती पर मारते हुए कहा, धरती पर टप्पा पड़ते हुए मेरी गेंद में से ऐसे ही आवाज आती थी। So he was throwing the ball on the land and he was telling this tappa sound. You get a sound now when you throw the ball, you get a sound on the land. So by hearing the sound, this Deepak said, when I throw this ball onto the land, I get the same sound. This is only in my ball, this kind of a sound arises. मेरे साथ बाजार चल, दुकानों में जितनी गेंद है सभी के टप्पे की आवाज ऐसी ही होगी। अनिल ने फिर उसकी बात काट दी। So Anil replied that you come along with me to the market. So in the market, how much ever shops are there? We will go to the shops and we will throw all the balls down. You will be hearing the same sound as it came in your ball. अच्छी बात है, तो मैं इस सड़क पर फेंक दूंगा। So for this Deepak was so annoyed and he said, okay, fine. If that is the case, means I will throw this ball on the road. देखो कैसे कोई खेलेगा। Let me see how anyone play with this ball. दीपक ने जैसे ही गेंद को सड़क पर फेंकने के लिए हाथ उठाया कि अनिल और दिनेश ने उसे पकड़ लिया। So he was about to throw, when Deepak was about to throw this ball on the road, immediately Anil and Dinesh holded Deepak's hand. अब दीपक ने रुआ से होते हुए अपने अंतिम हथियार आजमाया। So Deepak has no other go. So he started crying. बोला, या तो गेंद मुझे दे दो, नहीं तो मैं इसे पैसे सुनील से लूंगा। So Deepak said, either you give me this ball, otherwise I will collect the money from Sunil because he only lost my ball. So I will get the money from Sunil. अब तो सुनील दीपक और सुधीर का गुट मजबूत होने लगा था। So hearing these words, Sunil and Sudhir supported Deepak. So that's Deepak got a nice support. तीनों का ही कहना था कि गेंद दीपक की है और उसे ही मिलनी चाहिए। So they all together said, this ball belongs to Deepak, so we have to give this ball to Deepak. दिनेश तब तक चुप था। So दिनेश remained silent. वास्तव में दिनेश का मन उस समय सबके साथ मिलकर उस गेंद से खेलने का कर रहा था। So actually Dinesh was wanting to play this ball with everyone. He wants to play the cricket with this ball with every one of his friends. बोला, अब चुप भी रहो, झगड़ा बाद में कर लेंगे। So he said, so you all remain silent. So we will quarrel after the play. अपने अपने बल्ले ले आओ, पहले खेल ले। So everyone take their bat. First we will play. 5 मिनट के भीतर ही खेल आरंभ हो गया। So within 5 minutes the play started. दिनेश बल्लेबाजी कर रहा था। So Dinesh was batting. अभी 2-4 बार ही खेला था कि वह चमकदार नई गेंद एकदम जोर से उछली और दरवाजा पार कर सड़क पर जाते हुए एक स्कूटर में बनी सामान रखने की जालीदार टोकरी में जा गिरी। So now what happened? So he would have played only 2 to 4 balls. Dinesh would have played only 2 to 4 balls, and within that time, what happened? This new ball, na? So this ball, ekdam immediately what happened? It jumped and it crossed the road, and there was a scooter coming nearby, and it went and fell into the this jali. Jali means the basket. So usually the scooter, they'll be having a front basket. So there it went and fell onto the basket. स्कूटर वाले को शायद पता भी नहीं चला। The person running the scooter, he didn't even know the ball fell into his basket. तेजी से चलते हुए स्कूटर के साथ गेंद भी चली गई. So the scooter was running very fast, going very fast, and as such, this ball went along with the scooter. बच्चे पहले तो चिल्लाते हुए स्कूटर के पीछे भागे. So first, what happened? The kids, they were screaming and they were running behind the scooter. परंतु जल्दी ही सब रुक गए. Whereas they couldn't go as much as fast as the scooter go. They stopped in the middle. वे समझ गए थे कि स्कूटर के पीछे भागना बेकार है. बेकार मीन्स यूजलेस. सो दे थॉट दैट रनिंग आफ्टर स्कूटर इज यूजलेस. एक पल के लिए सभी ने एक दूसरे की ओर देखा. For a minute, for a second, everyone looked at each other. और फिर सब भी ठहाका मारकर हंस पड़े. So and immediately they all went into laughter. Tahaka means laughter. So it's been written by Shanta Kumari Jain. I have given the line by line explanation of this lesson. Hope you understand. Thank you.